Understanding, caught in a deadlock. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, caught in a deadlock. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate complex conversations and enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to get a clear picture. The phrase, caught in a deadlock, refers to a situation where progress is impossible because two parties or elements are unable to agree or move beyond a certain point. Imagine two cars arriving at a narrow bridge from opposite directions, and neither is willing to reverse to let the other pass. They are, quite literally, caught in a deadlock. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember and use them correctly. The term, deadlock, originates from a lock that cannot be moved, representing a standstill or impasse. Over time, it has been used to describe situations where there is a complete halt in progress due to disagreement or failure to reach a consensus. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from business negotiations to personal disputes. For example, the negotiation between the company and the union was caught in a deadlock over salary increases. Our plan for the group project is caught in a deadlock because we can't agree on a topic. Using this phrase in sentences can help convey the seriousness of a stalemate in discussions or negotiations. It's also useful to know how to resolve a situation when you're caught in a deadlock. Strategies might include compromise, mediation, or seeking an external opinion. Understanding and acknowledging both sides of the argument can often help in finding a middle ground. Being caught in a deadlock can be challenging, but recognizing these situations and knowing how to navigate them is a valuable skill. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to be in a deadlock and how to use this phrase effectively. Remember, the key to resolving deadlocks often lies in communication and flexibility. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been an insightful addition to your English learning journey.